Welcome to the Daily Wisdom Practice. If the mere thought of your bank account gives you butterflies in your stomach, hit the like button, because today we are going to clear away that anxiety. We aren't just talking about money, we are talking about scarcity data. If you are ready to stop chasing money and start cleaning, subscribe and let's get started. Most of us have a very complicated relationship with money. We love it, we hate it, and it never seems like enough. We tend to think of money as just a piece of paper or a number on a screen. But in Ho'oponopono, money is an energy, and it possesses a soul of its own. If you treat money with fear, anxiety, or resentment, it won't want to be around you. Today, we are going to clean the noise or blockages surrounding your finances so that prosperity and abundance can flow to you effortlessly. We often think we have a money problem, but in reality, we have a problem of memories of scarcity. Just imagine that your bank account is a mirror. If you stand before it, feeling poor and stressed, the mirror has no choice but to reflect that poverty back at you. You cannot change that reflection simply by working harder. You must change the person standing in front of the mirror. When you clear away your money-related fears, you aren't merely attracting money. Rather, you are removing the obstacles that were preventing the universe's natural flow from reaching you. I want you to take a bill, grab your wallet, or simply check your banking app. Don't look at the numbers, look at the feeling those numbers give you. I am sorry for treating you with fear. I am sorry for using you as a source of stress. Please forgive me for not appreciating the value you bring to my life. Thank you for the clothes on my back and the food on my table. I love you. I love the energy of abundance. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Money is just energy, and energy follows peace. Your challenge for today: every time you pay for something, instead of feeling a sense of loss regarding the money, just say, "Thank you." Comment "Abundance is mine" below to open the doors. Share this with someone who is struggling financially. Let's clear up the world's poverty statistics together. I will see you on day 13. I love you, I thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.